Okay, so I'm gonna apply no wipe top coat, and it's just shiny, so I am going to apply it and cure for about 15 seconds. Because if you cure like 60 seconds, your crumbs or your chrome flakes will not adhere anymore. So there are 6 different colors. You can see the hint of it. The first one is like a greenish. The second jars is like purples, and this one is more like iridescent. Number 4 is like a goldenish red. And then this one is definitely like a greenish. I don't know, it's just like all beautiful. It doesn't matter. So whatever you pick, you will never go wrong with this. I'm gonna pick number 6. You can pick whatever colors you want. So there's a pack of the jar, so you only need a little. So you dab it in, and the second one I'm gonna rub it in so you can see the effects looks. If you are going to do it like have a unicorn finish. Or like I'm really obsessed with this look. You see how it's like flaky. So great. Dab it, make sure. Not beautiful. Looks good in person. I'm gonna close this because this really like light. Don't breathe, because if you breathe, you're gonna blow whole entire jars away. So with the crystal placement, what we are going to need is the condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and of course with the bestie is precision glue gels. It's gonna be actually double secure, triple secure all your crystal chain and charms. So probably I'm gonna getting a kit number 1, crystal kit number 1. If you're gonna have hands on this one, this is absolutely a massive kit. You not only get the kit itself, you get so many of items coming with this, such as your trifecta, your mystery treasure bags, and then your crystal AB, and then your beads, silvers, and gold. And then you also get yours diamond dust pixie. So don't miss out. So I'm going ahead and apply the condensed glue gels right on the top of the chrome flake that I just applied. And then we are going to float the no wipe top coat on the top, and then keep in mind condensed glue gel really thick. So you're gonna spread your bristles and doing a thin coat. If you need to get more, you are going to apply it more, but you don't want to do it too much to really flood your crystal. So I have my really beautiful glow in the dark, a smaller crystal right here next to me, so I am going to use that as well to just like incorporate. I really like that one. Oh, nice. It's really good. So I'm gonna add this one on. I'm gonna add just a smaller AB. I mean the glow in the dark crystal size SS8 around with my chicky heart. This is one of the centerpiece that we have in the crystal kits number 1. I love it. This is one of my fave. It's absolutely take my skills and my business to the next level. And if you are doing it for yourself, oh my gosh, congratulations, you are having it's absolutely amazing kits on your hand. You never go wrong with this. So continue. So after I pick a centerpiece already, and I am going to place a smaller SS really tight and close to the crystals, and then give it a little pressed, so then that way make sure your crystal is secure and is grabbed around with the condensed glue gels and a no wipe top coat. I'm gonna put some frames on. So now you can definitely, if you're happy with the design, absolutely can't cure. But I'm gonna add some beads on, and of course the bead jars come with your beautiful kits as well to like complete your beautiful crystal kits. It looks really good in person though. It looks like a lot of going on under the camera. Like it's obviously you can see the layer of the chrome flake and then the layer of the black colors. You know what? Keep in mind you can apply to any color. So if you don't want the 24s jet blacks, you can definitely add different colors on, okay? It's up to you and what you like for your nails. So I add a couple of frames along with my cheeky hearts, which is one of the centerpiece. And then I using all the SS different sizes, like between size SS4 and SS12. Really cute, simple designs. And then one more before we are. Yeah, now I'm happy with this. I am going to cure this for 60 seconds. I love that how it's a little bit like angle on the sides and it going down.